Ever dropped your Galaxy S26 Ultra and felt your heart stop for a second? Today, we're exploring cases so tough they feel practically indestructible, built to handle serious drops and daily abuse. Welcome back to the channel. Stick with me to discover the strongest options and grab your favorite through the links waiting in the description. The number 8 product on our list is TONGATE Magnetic Rugged. One careless slip can destroy a $1,000 phone in seconds. That harsh truth is why rugged protection matters more than style for many Galaxy S26 Ultra owners. This magnetic rugged design focuses on survival first. A tough PC back and shock-absorbing bumper work together to disperse heavy impact before it reaches the phone. Reinforced corners handle brutal drops while raised edges guard the screen and camera from daily scratches. The built-in ring stand quietly adds versatility. It flips out for comfortable viewing and doubles as a magnetic anchor for chargers, car mounts, and wallets. Compared with slimmer silicone covers, it feels tougher and more secure, though slightly thicker in the pocket. Ideal for travelers, outdoor workers, and anyone tired of fragile cases. Protection here feels purposeful. The moment you hold it, you realize your phone finally has armor built for real-world chaos. At number 7 is Poetic MagSafe Drop Protection. A cracked screen often begins with one tiny careless moment. That is why serious protection matters when carrying a powerful phone like the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This rugged magnetic design focuses on absorbing real-world accidents before they become expensive repairs. The reinforced shell spreads heavy impact, while the raised edges shield the display and camera from rough surfaces. A rotating magnetic ring stand quietly transforms daily use. Snap it to a charger, car mount, or prop the phone up for streaming and video calls without juggling the device. The included tempered glass adds another layer of security that many buyers appreciate. Compared with slimmer silicone covers, it feels more armored, though slightly heavier in hand. Ideal for travelers, outdoor workers, and anyone tired of fragile cases. When protection meets practical design, the phone suddenly feels ready for everyday chaos. At number 6 is Mous MagSafe Shockproof. Most phone cases promise toughness, but collapse the moment real life happens. A sudden drop on rough pavement, a slip from a car seat that heart-stopping second. Every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner fears. This is where Mous MagSafe Shockproof shifts the experience. AeroShock reinforced corners absorb brutal impact, while the rigid shell and flexible bumper hold everything steady without turning the phone bulky. MagSafe compatibility adds daily convenience. Chargers and mounts snap on instantly and stay aligned. Premium finishes like aramid fiber leather or walnut bring a refined feel rarely seen in rugged cases. The pros are strong drop protection, dependable magnetic connection, and premium materials that feel built for serious use. The cons are a slightly thicker profile and a higher price compared with slim cases like Spigen Thin Fit. For people who carry an expensive phone everywhere and want serious everyday protection, this case delivers calm reassurance through thoughtful engineering. At number 5 is ESR Rugged Magnetic. A single drop can turn an expensive phone into a cracked nightmare, and that fear sits quietly in every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner's pocket. The right case changes that story. ESR Rugged Magnetic is built for those moments life throws your phone toward the floor. The 3-layer structure absorbs impact, while air guard corners soften the shock before it reaches the device. Suddenly, daily use feels less stressful. Strong magnets lock perfectly with MagSafe accessories, making charging quick and effortless during busy days. The built-in stash stand adds practical comfort, supporting stable viewing angles, whether you are watching videos or scrolling. The 8 pros are serious drop protection, powerful magnetic grip, and a useful kickstand. The cons are slightly more bulk compared with slimmer options like Spigen Ultra Hybrid. For people exploring the world of Galaxy S26 Ultra cases, built to survive harsh drops, this rugged design delivers dependable protection with thoughtful, everyday convenience. At number 4 is Ringke UX Magnetic. One careless moment is all it takes for a beautiful phone to meet rough concrete, and that tiny second of panic is something every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner understands. Protection should feel natural, not bulky. This is where Ringke UX Magnetic quietly stands out. The hybrid build blends a flexible TPU bumper with a durable polycarbonate back, so everyday drops feel far less threatening. Built-in magnets lock smoothly with MagSafe accessories, making wireless charging quick and effortless. The integrated kickstand adds real comfort, whether watching videos or scrolling in portrait or landscape. Small details like strap holes allow extra security for people who move a lot during the day. The pros are reliable protection, clean magnetic connection, and practical versatility. The cons are a simpler design and slightly less rugged feel compared with heavy-duty options like UAG Pathfinder. For users exploring Galaxy S26 Ultra cases designed to handle daily accidents, this one balances durability, practicality, and everyday ease beautifully. The third one on our list is SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro. The moment a heavy phone slips from your hand, time seems to slow down, and every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner knows that sudden rush of panic. Serious protection becomes a necessity, not a luxury. This rugged design steps in with a powerful TPU and polycarbonate shell built to absorb harsh impact while reinforced corners cushion the shock from brutal drops. Raised edges shield the screen and camera, so surfaces and scratches feel far less threatening. A built-in kickstand adds practical freedom, letting you watch videos, join calls comfortably without holding the phone. The textured grip also helps prevent slips during busy days. The pros are exceptional drop resistance, solid grip, and useful kickstand support. The cons are extra bulk and a heavier feel compared with slimmer options like Ringke Fusion X. For people exploring Galaxy S26 Ultra cases built to survive rough environments, this rugged setup delivers dependable everyday protection without compromising functionality. On number 2 is UAG Monarch Pro Magnetic. A phone this powerful deserves armor that treats gravity like a small inconvenience. Everyday life is unpredictable. One careless slip from a pocket or desk can instantly threaten a premium device like the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That reality is exactly where UAG Monarch Pro Magnetic shows its purpose. The multi-layer structure blends Kevlar material, an armor frame, and shock-resistant core, creating a shell designed to absorb serious impact. Sculpted corners and reinforced edges quietly handle drops that would damage ordinary cases. Magnetic charging works smoothly, allowing quick snap-on charging without interrupting daily routines. The textured perimeter improves grip, while oversized buttons feel precise and responsive. The pros are exceptional drop defense, strong magnetic compatibility, and premium rugged materials. The cons are the higher price and a thicker feel compared with lighter options like Ringke Fusion X. For users exploring Galaxy S26 Ultra cases, built to survive extreme conditions, this rugged design delivers powerful protection with refined engineering. Now moving to the last one is Spigen Tough Armor MagFit. A phone this powerful deserves armor that treats gravity like a small inconvenience. Everyday life is unpredictable. One careless slip from a pocket or desk can instantly threaten a premium device like the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That reality is exactly where UAG Monarch Pro Magnetic shows its purpose. The multi-layer structure blends Kevlar material and armor, frame, and shock-resistant core, creating a shell designed to absorb serious impact. Sculpted corners and reinforced edges quietly handle drops that would damage ordinary cases. Magnetic charging works smoothly, allowing quick snap-on charging without interrupting daily routines. The textured perimeter improves grip, while oversized buttons feel precise and responsive. The pros are exceptional drop defense, strong magnetic compatibility, and premium rugged materials. The cons are the higher price, and a thicker feel compared with lighter options like Ringke Fusion X. For users exploring Galaxy S26 Ultra cases, built to survive extreme conditions, this rugged design delivers powerful protection with refined engineering. So guys, this was the video about these Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are practically indestructible. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.